Is this recording? Yeah. Yo, Hung in this Conway Hall has got Snack Game on lock in this hole. I swear, we're gonna go check out his snack drawer. It's fucking our snack dresser. Let's go fucking look at that shit. Move. Yo, Hung. Fucking show us your snack drawer dresser, whatever. What? Oh shit.
Second one.
Oh, what is that right there?
It's my ramen, dude.
Some Vietnamese stuff.
Alright.
Oh, look at them. Chips Ahoy.
I got my Gatorade.
Black man approves.
There you go.
What's your name?
I'm hung.
Yeah, he is.